Hey everyone, we're going to make a quick video here showing more of the devastation from Hurricane Michael. Right behind me here is a strip mall that was pretty much destroyed. Every business is basically ruined and forced to close, and they're going to be tearing this building down. So before that happens, I just want to give you a peek at it to show you what was actually done from that hurricane. So come along with me. Sorry about the wind, but as you can see, the roof was pretty much ruined on the entire building here, and every business was affected. Here we have a Boost Mobile, and you can still see some of the display phones on the counter there. Here it looks like I think a hairdresser or nail salon. A nail salon. I see the tubs there for the pedicures. And it's just completely ruined. Water damage, mold, wind damage. And their business was wiped out from under them in a matter of hours. It's just crazy though that so much is still left behind, and undoubtedly I almost guarantee someone came to wipe out the cigarettes. There's not one pack of them left. Parking lot is just littered with trash and garbage, broken glass, nails, everything. And surprisingly, these windows aren't broken, but the roof is gone. Here it looks like we have some type of clothing store, maybe thrift store, and look at all the clothes are left behind. They're all ruined, of course, but they're all still there. So much money was just thrown away from the hurricane, you know. I mean, it's, I think, one of the largest reported damages from a hurricane ever. $15 billion in damages. Now a location like this is different from what I'm normally used to, because the buildings I film are typically abandoned due to foreclosure or death or some other reason, but these are abandoned due to natural disaster. Here we have, looks like a Chinese restaurant. Now as we get farther down the building here, this is one of the hardest hit places right here. Front walls ripped completely away, and I believe this was a restaurant. Oh, maybe I'm mistaken, not a restaurant. I think it was some type of store. I see a lot of books. But I can't imagine being the owner of these places, knowing that their income and their whole life is just gone. And you know what? I think this is actually a floral shop. If you look in the case there, I'll zoom in. It looks like some bouquets in the coolers there. Yeah, here's a sign, One Stop Flowers. So that was a flower store. And there's one more business here. I'm not sure what it is. And the funny thing is that nothing is stopping people from going into these locations. It's not posted, it's not taped off, it's not fenced off. Anyone could freely walk into these buildings. Not saying that they should, but you'd think that they would do a little more protection of it. Pretty eye-opening, you know, to see what has been done just due to a very powerful storm. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at this abandoned, devastating strip mall. It's sad and eye-opening at the same time because it's kind of hard to comprehend how powerful Mother Nature can be. And where I live in Pennsylvania, we don't encounter things like this from natural disasters. At the very most, we have some torn down trees from tornadoes, but to have a whole complex building, or you know, whatever it is, ripped down in a matter of hours or days, it's just hard to comprehend, and you can't really imagine it unless you come here and see it for yourself in person. That's why I wanted to make this video for you guys. So if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one, subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.